Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Insight channel. वीडियो शेयर करने से पहले I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to apply for Toefl exam. Click on the link shown in this video. On this page, click the Take the Test tab which is highlighted, and then please check the required documents shown on this page and then click register now. Then click on create an account tab. You have to create an account before registering the TOEFL exam. Here you have to fill the personal information to create an account. You have to fill the information as it appears on the passport ID. Provide your email address and then click on next. Provide all your details, then click on next. Read the terms and condition, click on yes and then click on next. Now you are signing up for the TOEFL search services. Here you have to provide some answers they are asking for their research purposes. You have to provide 5 country names and other questions related to your field. They are just using for their research purposes. Click next. Create your user ID, password, security question which you can remember. Then next. Review all the details you provided earlier. And the background information you provided, and click on submit. Processing, then your account has been created and sign in to continue. Sign in with your user ID and password. Click on the register and find the test center and date. Select the test center. Type your city name and click on continue. Here are the options. You can see dates are highlighted on which you can appear for the test. Select the date, time and check the center, and then check the test location center and timings and click on register. Again, review all your details you have provided. Click on the checkbox, acknowledgement box, and then click on next. Again, review all your data and provide the ID information. You can provide your passport, driver license, any other ID, and then click on next. Again, check all the information you have provided, address, and then click on next. Check all the question answers and then click on next. In this section you have to add score recipient for which you are giving your test. You can add up to 4 free score recipient. I have highlighted the area. Please check and provide the 4 score recipient. Even provide the other details of your educations. Click on online score report and a paper copy mailed to you, and then click on next. Here I forgot to mention the department, so you have to provide the department name. Subject in which you want to apply. Click on next. Review all the information you have provided for your registration before going further. Click on next. Here they are giving you options. Toefl value pack premium at $148 price. You can purchase it if you want to prepare from their book, else you can click next. Now comes to the final part. $185 is the test fee, and if you want to add GRE, here is the option, and proceed to checkout. If you have any voucher code, then put it, otherwise click on this box, provide the card details and click on pay now and book the exam. All the best for your exams, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.